guys, welcome back. I've got a quick little ombre set to show you in this one. So this time my lady's come in for a redesign again, and I'm using Fairy Dust, Dainty Doll and Bubbalicious for this set. It's just an ombre on every single nail, using Bubbalicious as the bottom half of the ombre and then filling in with Dainty Doll and then using a tiny little bead of the Fairy Dust just to give the Dainty Doll like the glitter kick. You'll see what I mean soon. You'll see what I mean. Keep watching. Oh, and also I got asked if I could do a couple of videos in real time for like this application part, the colour application. So I've done that for you with this one. Then for the top half, first I'm coming in with Dainty Doll, which is like my favourite pink ever to do ombres with. It is just so easy to blend, it is ridiculous. Now when I was doing this set, the temperature here had like gone straight down, freezing cold, like we just hit winter, and then woof, straight back up again. So we're sat there in shorts and t-shirts in like ridiculous, I think it was like 28 degrees or something in my room that day, out of nowhere, and like as soon as I touched the nail everything kept setting. Can't deal with this weather, stressing me out. And then in look with the tiniest bead of Fairy Dust just to give the Dainty Doll pink that shimmery glitter that the Fairy Dust has. It's just beautiful, because the set that she showed me, the picture, was more of a pink like it is now, but it had like the glitter in it, and I didn't have anything close to it other than doing this, using Dainty Doll and then just covering it with a tiny smidge just to give it that little glitter kick.
But I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you. You caught my eye And I've got a feeling I'm falling. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used to. I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling, falling for nobody else but you. I've got a feeling I'm falling, falling for nobody else but you. I'm flying high, but show me the ring and I'll jump right through. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used to. Through. I used to.
Now, after I've completed the ombre on every single nail, I then come in and cap them all, just to make sure that I'm protecting the blend of when I'm filing and shaping. And then all I did off camera was add some crystals and top coat, and that was it, and that's the finished result. Really, really simple, but really effective. So as always, thank you for joining me, and I will see you in the next one.